Ruzuku versus Circle. Here's the short answer. These two platforms look like competitors, but they solve different problems. Circle is community infrastructure, Slack-like spaces, threaded discussions, live streams, events with RSVPs, clean UI, built for customer communities, B2B groups, and masterminds where the conversation is the product. Ruzuku is a course platform, cohort scheduling, drip content, certificates, and lesson-level discussion, built for teaching where students need to progress through material and actually finish. If your product is the community itself, consider Circle. If your product is a course, a transformation students walk away with, consider a platform built for structured teaching. Circle's strength is community infrastructure. The Spaces model maps cleanly to Slack workflows: public spaces, private spaces, member-only spaces. Threaded discussions work well at scale. The member directory, the event calendar, the live streaming tool, these all work the way you'd expect. For SaaS customer communities, B2B professional groups, or mastermind-style products, Circle is one of the best tools in the category. The trade-offs are on the course side. No cohort scheduling tied to enrollment dates, no drip sequences, no quizzes or certificates. The Courses module was added to a community tool. It wasn't built as a cohort engine. If teaching structured material is central to your offer, that gap shows up quickly. Ruzuku's strength is structured teaching, cohort scheduling, set a start date, drip content releases on a schedule tied to enrollment, quizzes, assignments, certificates, threaded discussion attached to every lesson, community inside the learning, not alongside it. Our platform data shows courses with active lesson-level discussion average 65.5% completion versus 42.6% without. That's a 54% improvement, the single biggest lever we've found for finishing rates in 14 years. Ruzuku isn't the best tool for a pure customer community. If Slack-like spaces are your product, Circle is clearer. But if structured teaching is the job, this is the platform built for it. The pricing reality. Circle Professional is $89 a month on annual with a 2% transaction fee. Branded email notifications are $40 extra. Custom profile fields, another $49. Email Hub, if you want email marketing, is another $99. On a professional plan with the two most common add-ons, that's $178 a month before fees. Ruzuku Core is $83 a month on annual with 0 transaction fees. Unlimited courses, no add-on gates. The sticker prices look close. Factor in the add-ons and the fees, the total cost gap widens. So here's how to decide. Consider Circle if your product is the community itself. SaaS customer communities, B2B groups, masterminds. Circle's infrastructure is purpose-built for that. Consider Ruzuku if your product is a course, if students need structure, assessment, and a clear path through material. And if you need both, a course platform for teaching and a community for open discussion, some creators run both. 2 subscriptions, 2 logins. Before committing to a 2-platform stack, test whether the separate community will actually get used. Often it won't, and the lesson-level discussions inside a course platform do more of the job. Want the full picture? I wrote a detailed side-by-side comparison. Every plan, every add-on, real revenue scenarios. Links in the description. Updated April 2026.